Okay. Flip it over. Read.
In the top left, it'll tell you who it's from.
Department of the Army, HQ U.S. Army Corps of Engineers.
Hey, open it up.
Wait, so who? Here, I don't want you to ruin. So, do you remember sending them something?
Mm-hmm.
What'd you send them?
It was a thing to make a new Chinook. It's a double layer Chinook.
And it was a drawing of yours, right? That he mailed. He did the envelope and everything. It was his idea. He drew up this big thing and wanted to send it to them. Okay. I don't know what it is, but.
There's a letter. I can kind of see it. And there is.
Okay, look how cute this is.
It's heavy. This is heavy.
Okay, hold on.
Can I take it?
Oh my gosh! I'm
It's
gonna
a
cry.
challenge coin or whatever.
Okay, hold on. Okay, ready? It's like an official letter. Oh my goodness. Okay, read up here. Okay.
Lieutenant General! It's by the Lieutenant General!
Wow.
Okay, why don't you read it real loud so Daddy can hear it. So what does it say up here? What does that say?
Department of the Army, Headquarters U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, Washington, D.C. Dear Makai, this responds to on December 12, 2020, letter to the Secretary of the Army concerning an improved helicopter and suggestion.
An improved helicopter and the suggestion for it built by the Army of Engineers. As the Chief of Engineers, I am humbled that you have entrusted your design to our care. Inspired. Keep going. Yeah.
Inspired by your best interest. Oh my gosh! You shine in the light, you see an eagle! The Navy SEAL!
That's official!
Makai,
Okay,
safety of our service members and their family. The thought and detail you put into your drawing shows me that creative, out-of-the-box thinker and problem solver. I plan to share your design with researchers and developers who specialize in vehicle technology. What does that say?
Where?
Right here.
Aeronautical engineering?
Yeah.
It takes a lot of smarts to build things that fly. Keep studying, designing, and dreaming big dreams. I wish you and your family all the best.
Sincerely?
Scott S. Spellmon, Lieutenant General, U.S. Army, 55th Chief of Engineers and Commander, U.S. Army Corps of Engineers.
Very cool. Oh.
Wait, there's another. Oh my gosh! What is it? I don't know what it is. Is it E?
Oh, wait, we're here.
Oh my gosh, how cool is that?
Oh, Corps of
Look, it
Engineers.
says
Building strong Chief of Engineer for your alliance. Those are
3-star for excellence. You got 3 stars.